Can't no care substance behind him. I say, has a board draw against Diana. Tiencho be being caught up and no topic for discussion. Ye sa Diana draw no Fiifi Honafi, Ubianka we want them. Sana, you know.
Okay. For me, a doing some say per my principles, the best is the education bit, you know.
Okay.
And yeah, about the opinion of Obi. The education bits are stating the facts of the matter, no? Because so we are house in Utia, you want to understand what is happening. And who here. So Utia Syria, the judgment comes from one understanding, no? Now, first of all, as somebody want them a high court, no? It's not as if has any rain heading Casamini yedin for fro. Nabi, in the same comfort assessor. Yin dia samene for fro. The issue in say when heading the house go FIFA. And when ya a decision, ya what the cost Eddie Amano. The matter is closed. Unless there be a house somebody has something cocas, which a buy yantida. Into has jitum.
So
the ruling of FIFA has or jitum. But has ejitum in a when chess can. And then FIFA say, a man was a house the chess can when chia. Inti acquire the air captain say, will differ on and one yet. And until a subsequent punishment, I call into transfer ban. No. Inti asamnankasa details in any senior city no sanity and society be any was na ayereni heading na o she house suban order na di after say house man sika bi na house aye no ho say onfa ho oni ono onfen ono onye na agisu otie sika no senka house ye na agisu obetie sika na nka enu transfer band ni mpo enti just by the mere fact say FIFA I instructed Ghana Football Association say unfair transfer ban into house so it's enough evidence to any heading say ne suspicion say we give say house in na so be chase cano no cry. Until what Renne did was to speak to the lawyers England say Charlie menya an award from FIFA but club na also mu chase cano mama no omo humani and say asem no we say Ghana no so okay. So they called their correspondent law firm Juma Ghana. And I said, this is the matter of my client. Then the chambers in Ghana and the advisory when heading so when your arbitration our FIFA in Switzerland they are per Ghana Yamrano in 1957 yes sign agreement to say any international arbitration at a specific countries you bet me there by local court na ya enforce arbitration amount. And it's a sad situation is there. Let us file a case in Ghana only to seek for an enforcement of FIFA award no media man. And assembly of course of high court no and yes I have any sampa has the Renne Debbie. Renne heading only came to court say Ghana courts an engine is kind man. That is the simple matter. Now, Rich, asemu ya come back and forth. Ochina ukwada meboa. Ochina will be 1 week. The last time amotina asemu so. Amotina asemu so no. House went to court with a document. Court buzom say document omo de be pede omo si o. Send your court to 2 or more 4. The last time say kana modi. And confirm do mo kanso nie min yin ni se wo se ye ne twema men
ka de no hazo so betua
what ya se enti ene o mo nkokasa na mo mpekwa ya mo ba fa so mo betua kana ma o mo so mo ti ase a mo fa ngu krata so mo fa mrebe se me bana mi bisa mo mienu nya na mo se sa document here dey abre an agreement between the two parties na
finito ni akwa ni
I will enter this as my ruling say if free na kwasem no say na ne pompo so me kakosi here mienu afani mienu nyaja tum say e kanon betua now Rich has eco file on terms of settlement na say and a house so betua asema me ken was ochina will be 1 week has say award na go for ka say $150,000 no eh two different costs and awokabo me do sa no and can enu sa papa but it's because of some interest be accumulated so asem no call FIFA say Renne heading be catch you say answer no more terminating the contract no na house put in the cut that $2,400 eh part of the salary no omuntu anwie FIFA gitu mu say $2,400 no omuntua and the FIFA say because has terminating the contract no year in no or ama Renne heading a sum of the amount of sika na aka on the contract mu plus compensation enti okay no boma $144,000 enti utia $144,000 and the amount as in the compensation say when trying the contract mu ye na wasa ama no $2,400 as sika na answer na oni ni judgment na ye ka wo de no on the salary basis enti uka boma $146,000 around 400 nemum Renne heading for some of the jina court and say since that time of FIFA award cost the man no ebesi sound no sikana na wasa asu chairman no what na ho anti no sikani interest abeto so and their calculation 5% interest per annum you can say per annum every year biano sika also chairman no 5% interest about to say scan so into rich has so coin on the terms no or say instead of so bet you $144,000 send a FIFA so on tuano nkoni Renne heading for no kasa say out of the 144 no Renne heading na kind of 1 year contract 1 year contract you know every month be na so mo a net of 4,800 into omunti ase no nkomo nka 1 year na aka on the contract no embom na omo emma no $57,600 which is 1 year the contract na aka no sa $2,400 na aka na o say o e aketua na aka mni de no de ontimi nka say o be negotiate enti eno so nkomo ne be ka ho ama no enti out of $146,400 na Renne heading plus 5% per annum interest na omo special house in Tiano uka hasika umuka bo musenka I don't know mu eka say na omo settlement terms na it was only $60,000 enti Renne heading for lawyers no so hu no mse ada braka $150,000 almost $150,000 na ka say yengi settlement of only $60,000 in film there say ne only yendi ni in fact Renne heading has told the lawyers in the UK say one person can find Charles.
And why would they be to assist? How?
No, but Rich, what I'm saying is say, Sir 150 no. So has the castle met you 149 krana. Renne heading has told his lawyers in the UK say 1 cent crown find Charles. And the lawyers in the UK also has relayed the information to the lawyers in Ghana say Samoko quarter. Any settlement agreement etisika so $1 krano your clients they say onji enti hona and already heading lawyers in the catch judge and they say look settlement no yahwem yenyintum in fact say baby a house ginani dia your client no also onje $1 less ka sikana ya award no enti unim una ka che say yenko nanka
out of court settlement
yenko settle yenko diem komo no se sempo yenye interested in that settlement in mbobiem enti koso ne rule ade ne man se no krese wo kota wo Ghana pemren ye o case se ubetimi asechere has agie sika man ya enu nti na de ba gie sika ne fa eman na court no show case amonye settlement ni ntum dia me has 2 weeks omo file omo final statement na omo fambra into wa join the case no eko on the 19th of May. By that time, or special house will file their final statement. Then this statement now, the when heading lawyers in the abadada. Now wama dates okay. They say manya final statement for Mobia on this so and so date. Muisha mo court na me for final verdict and for Embra. Look, apart from these facts, which opinion be na ube share on this issue. HSL has indeed committed to settling this issue.
I even think say House of Folk will drag it after their final statement, unless meaning the
after the ruling,
not after the ruling. I'm some from final statement in bra. The final statement can include something that will drag it again.
Okay. Say when a judge tells you say now submit your final statement it means to no judge the bar it is the conclusion of your matter now say the medical can asem nya fe no ye di dada enti so has will be before phobia can it is to make the argument say maybe the Ghanaian court need the power to enforce them to pay.
No, one other part the lawyers can argue it is that they can bring in the mode of payment, and that's what I wanted to ask you. Say, you didn't mention the mode of payment because we agree we pay the 160,000 USD, but see, you need scanning that. It's a bit to be a 5,000 per month.
No, but from house and yeah, ready to be to 150.
You get
no, I got
so what Fiifi can say? Okay, what if in the final submission from us they now move away from the 60,000 and say a candidate okay now you bet you are scanning
but you bet
you are in this kind of installments mobeja to manasa munji
why should you the judge will call both lawyers to come to the bench
now you see yet here we say yeah been bebre say you be see a judge in it if it gets to that stage you bet match a contempt and we will not want to sound any prejudicial to the case but per me experience kakra minimum look obiduka na say wambu amfa so yes was on usika it's a civil matter in civil matters say judge it na case so na so e can obiduwa the moment it back when say okay afi mejitu metia but these are the terms are metia full the judge will always advise the other party to come to the table and say look in ipakono osi obetia but na ho odin ye enti jitum within this period make sure say obetia dey be odebaba court emre so be odebaba court again judge no so in his own reason say there has a proposal as omo final terms no say move Oba catch your ass for say Dabi. Say if Sesikan you want to say 150,000. Now house so you bet me to 5,000 every month. Now say judge you say Dabi. So I can so bet you 5,000. It may take this long for you to pay. Ori anu kwa ya wodi ade man anu kwa no achedada. When you were near okay, me mount you 5,000. Pay around maybe 15,000 every month. That one will speed the process. And see, that is how civil matters are done when it gets to courts. And it's no man average. Me per se, me you sue any house west on house of folk. I want to be very, very diplomatic with them. But look, say indeed, house person kind of say, you committed to settling this matter and come in dada. I maybe say asam no more cano a for baby and no crack. They've not shown enough commitment. Says I will make year for club so. I almost my since assassin will buy and too evident for any house of folk supporter and for as that will be bought in Chebia to know whether indeed letter na has the buy a corresponding to Musumai and as I'm corresponding in any more.
Transfer ban, no offer, normal.
Yes, in all honesty, and you know, Cressy has shown enough commitment to settle this matter. And it is not a yen of credit.
The next court hearing, no, be meaningful.
That is the reason why Judge Nhyira clear no. Say obi di asembisi eba court na ohun say wo no asem ne buabo no ase wo de wada. As we say, will drag case because if you leave the lawyers, they can drag it for years. And basically, it's kind of cry. The judge in who's on also say then the next hearing is your final statement. And you feel the final statements. That's what we both are saying. It comes down to
now what's my bet? Should has and show any commitment after this 60,000 you know too low babe say omo de sa so ma improving on omo so say na Fiifi predicting na omo da so an nam sa jirigogo na look say wo hwem rani mu a enioma judge bi ebetimi aka to enforce has to pay will be garnishing some of their assets.
Edua, eba kama sem 3220 83581 83582